Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash rallied in the last few days into our resistance area that we communicated in previous videos. The idea was to either, basically get a bounce or a rejection from the 50% FIB level at $235 or $255, the golden ratio, or 287, which is the 78.6 retracement level. Today, the price reached perfectly the 61.8 retracement level. You can see how accurate these FIB levels are. It always amazes me. And we had quite a bit of a rejection there. As you know, these areas can be used for short trades, for example, would already have been successful. And now, however, it needs to follow through, obviously, to the downside. Bitcoin also shows some weakness, but that is definitely... It's not definitely a top in place, but it's definitely a signal that a top could be in place. What I would pay attention to now is this trend line connecting these two lows, and possibly we will get a bounce when the price approaches this trend line. But it's starting to look quite impulsive, on the way down. And essentially what we need to see is a break below the trend line, and the bears then need to take out this swing low at $202, and then it can go quite quickly to 182. Below 182, probably following through in the third wave to, I mean, what are we talking about? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. If this is really the third wave to the downside, then we're talking here about roughly, 123 at least, or lower. Can I rule out something more bullish? No, of course not. I mean, it's of course technically possible that we only get something like 3 waves down, A, B, C, and this whole construct forms a much larger 3-wave correction, like this a massive A wave, this a massive B wave, and then a C wave up. That's always possible. It's just not nothing that is very reliable or a very reliable pattern. We're looking for what's clear, and we had a move down, which however also was just a 3-wave move. So it's not like crystal clear. Had this been an impulse down, easy, okay? We would have 5 waves down, 3 waves up, straightforward. But I can only really count this as an ending diagonal in the wave 5. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and it should follow through. But we need to be a bit flexible with this chart because of this movement in corrective structures. It can easily morph. I always say corrections, they can always morph. There is literally only one impulsive pattern in Elliott Wave, but there are more than 10 corrective patterns. So that's just a quick update, really. Don't think there is much more to add. Only that obviously it's worth watching for that trend line. Any break above today's high would send it likely to 287. Wouldn't necessarily be bullish. This is a very similar structure to what Bitcoin has actually. And that would be pretty much in line currently with the Bitcoin expectation as well. Let's see. We haven't got 5 waves up. We only have 3 waves up again. And a wave 2 top here could be in at any time. So I will observe that for you. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.